Okay, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Nice easy day. We're gonna do a little simple cook. I got some cut up ribs, pork ribs in that bag, and I got like 3 leg quarters in this bag. Got some corn on the cob. I'm gonna put that with some salt, butter, wrap that up in some aluminum foil. That's going on the grill. These two, the ribs and the chicken, will get marinated with the zesty Italian. I'm gonna let that marinate for about 2 to 3 hours. And I'm gonna also put some onion powder and some paprika and some seasoning salt in there. Get that all marinated up, let it sit, in about 2 or 3 hours, 3 hours, we'll be getting to the grill. And there you go, you guys. Got it all shaped up. It was a small bottle, so I half and half in it, but man, look at that. You already know it smells good, so can't wait for that. Get on the grill. And that's the chicken. All right, see you when I get outside on that grill. All right, you guys, we got everything on. Nice color. No wood today. I'm gonna just put the top down and let it do what it do. I'll see you in a few. All right, you guys, time to give it some spritz. Apple cider vinegar. Sitting back, chilling. Nice smoke. Ain't in no rush. Yeah, I like to get it wet. Alright, see you soon. Alright, you guys, I'm going to finish it off with some of this Blues Hog Original. Added some water to it to make it kind of soupy. Sir, everything is simple. Simple cooking. The best food is simple food. You don't need all them gadgets and gadgets. You just cook, man. That's all. Alright, 10 more minutes, I'll be taking them off. Alright, you guys, that is the finished product. Look how good that looks. Italian dressing, onion powder, paprika, some seasoning salt, marinated for 3 hours. And that's the corn I did. Yes, sir. Well, it's time for us to chow down. I'm not waiting too long. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.